How you hope this video will find you healthy and prosperous. This is Samreen Hashmi, and the topic which we are going to discuss today is the difference between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. As we have discussed in detail the aerobic and anaerobic respiration in previous lectures, so today we will discuss about certain points that differentiate aerobic respiration from anaerobic respiration. So first of all, aerobic respiration is a respiration that occurs in the presence of oxygen or air, and anaerobic respiration is a respiration that occurs without oxygen or air. So aerobic respiration basically occurs in higher organisms, whereas anaerobic respiration occurs in lower organisms like bacteria and certain fungi like yeast, etc. So the first difference between the both is that presence of oxygen. Oxygen is present in aerobic respiration, whereas oxygen is absent in anaerobic respiration, or anaerobic respiration takes place in the absence of oxygen. Second difference between the both is that ATPs, the production of ATPs. As we know that energy is produced during respiration in the form of ATPs, and the net gain of aerobic respiration is 38 ATPs, whereas the net gain of anaerobic respiration is only 2 ATPs. As only glycolysis takes place in anaerobic respiration, whereas Krebs cycle and electron transport chain are missing in anaerobic respiration. So the net gain or the net production of energy is only 2 ATPs in anaerobic respiration. After that, the third difference between the two is that final products. The final products of aerobic respiration is carbon dioxide, water, and energy in the form of ATPs, whereas in anaerobic respiration the final products may be lactic acid or ethanol plus carbon dioxide. Energy is produced in the form of 2 ATPs. Just 2 ATPs are gained in anaerobic respiration. Okay, occurrence. Anaerobic respiration takes place in cytoplasm. As we know that Krebs cycle and electron transport chain are missing, so only glycolysis takes place, and the next step of anaerobic respiration is fermentation. So if we discuss about the occurrence of anaerobic respiration, then it takes place only in cytoplasm, whereas aerobic respiration takes place in cytoplasm. The first step, that is glycolysis, and after that the Krebs cycle and electron transport chain occur in mitochondria. Phases. Aerobic respiration consists of 4 phases. Glycolysis, the first phase is glycolysis, second phase is transition reaction, or it may be called as pyruvic acid oxidation. Third step is Krebs cycle or citric acid cycle, and fourth step is electron transport chain or respiratory chain. Whereas there are only 2 phases in anaerobic respiration. The first phase is glycolysis and the second phase is fermentation. It can be lactic acid fermentation or alcoholic fermentation. Importance. For most of the organisms, the major source of energy is aerobic respiration, whereas in anaerobic respiration energy is produced, but it's sufficient only for the lower organisms in which they are carried out, or in certain situations when oxygen supply is reduced, or when there is short supply of oxygen, then anaerobic respiration is a source of energy. Like when we, even in humans, when doing the exercise, anaerobic respiration is carried out in muscles. Anaerobic respiration is source of many products like cheese, ethanol, etc. In anaerobic respiration, the gain of energy is quicker than the gain of energy in aerobic respiration, but there is a small quantity of energy that is produced in the form of only 2 ATPs, whereas 38 ATPs are produced during aerobic respiration. So these were the certain differences between the aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Hope this video will be informative for you. If you have any question or ambiguity, then write in comments. Please like and subscribe the video. Thank you so much.